Okay, today we are going to focus on the long and short U vowel sound. The long and short U. Let's begin. The long vowel sound U is U. For example, fuse, fuse. The short U is like you get hit in the stomach, Okay, that's the sound it makes. For example, fuss, fuss. Long U again, mute, mute. Short U is mutt. Cute, cut. Accuse, cuss. Amuse, musk. Now, we also have the word few that has that long U sound in it, few. So even though it's EW, even though there's an E in there, it makes the U sound, few, few. So you might come across a few of those words. Okay. I have some words on the right. I'm going to say them. Then I want you to see and guess if they are short U or long U. Again, I will say all 10 first. And then when I say them again, I want you to guess. Short U or long U. Long U is U and short U is Okay, let's begin. Must, muse, cusp, flute, flutter, beautiful, dump, mute, mud, mutt. Must, short or long? Muse, cusp, flute, flutter, beautiful, dump, mute, mud, and mutt. Okay, so we have must is short U. Must. Muse, long. Cusp, short. Flute. I'm going to say long, even though it's a little bit different than the long U. It's still very close. It's the U sound. It's more of the long double O, but we will get to that later. Flutter, short. Beautiful, long. Dump, short. Mute, long. Mud, short. Mutt, short. This is an overall view of short and long U vowel sounds. Again, on the website, there is the short and long for A, E, I, O, U. There will be more content loaded in the future to help you out with your pronunciation and listening ability. Why is this important? For speaking, as well as when you read, to know how to pronounce the words based on how they look. Okay, so it was good. Hopefully you were able to understand this a little bit. If you are confused in any way or having difficulty, that is completely normal. Most students feel like English is very difficult to learn, and it is. Keep practicing though, and you will get better, and we'll see you next time.